So if you want to make an email template that contains property-specific information, it's now possible to do that. Go to Rooms Units, and this email would contain information based on the units that are reserved. So under Property Management Options, we have 3 sections now for adding information in the email templates. So we're using this as a test, this Iris room, and I'm going to type in some information here. So I've added 3 specific information just for this property, and I'll save that. Now, whenever we want to use that information, all we have to do is include these merge codes in our email template where we want this to show up. And then this information will only appear if Iris is part of the reservation. If not, then I believe they will show blank, or they just won't show if the reservation is another unit. But that's pretty easy to test. Let's just go to Email Templates and make a special new template. We're just going to do a test. Actually, we probably don't want to call this Iris because this is going to be a generic email which will pull property information. All right, so I've added just important things to know as the subject, and then put these merge codes in. Just the details template, then 2 and 3 will pull from those other fields. Click Save. Now if we go make a reservation in Iris, the data from the Iris information, the room information, should pull into that template. So it's easy to test, or just make a test reservation, add the reservation, and then we will also make a test in another unit just to see what happens if we tried to use this. So if we go to correspondence and then we pull up this test that we just did, let's see what it shows. So it looks like the first 2 worked for some reason. Oh, okay, because I missed the final merge code there. It got missed. But yeah, so it's pulling in the information anyway for this unit. And now let's just delete this reservation and then try making a reservation from another unit and see what happens. So here, Lakeside Living, we'll add this reservation. And let's pull up that same template. And yeah, that's exactly what I was expecting would happen. So since this Lakeside Living property didn't have any information in the merge code, they're appearing as blank. Again, this one's showing because I mistyped. I forgot to include the final curly brace. So that's a really convenient way to pull information into a generic email template that is property or unit specific.